children, today we are going to see about the topic ocean. Before that, we shall recap the part 1 video. That is, supercontinent is called as Pangaea, sea around it is called Panthalassa, landforms and its classification. The first order landform is that is continents and oceans. See the continents and the blue color denotes the oceans. Now, see the second order landforms, mountains, plateaus, then plains. See the image, the plateau, the plains, the lake, pond, hill, stream, isn't it? See the third order landforms, valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Now see the picture of valley. Valley means Pallattaku. Let us see the topic oceans. The earth looks blue. Why earth looks blue? Because 2/3, that is 71% of our earth is covered by water. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans are vast expansion of water, that is big wide area of water. Seas are also water bodies that are partially or fully enclosed by land. The main oceans in the world are number 1. Pacific Ocean 47%, Atlantic Ocean 23%, Indian Ocean 20%, Southern Ocean 6%, Arctic Ocean 4%. Let us see in detail about these oceans. The Spanish navigator, that is a person who navigates the ship, that is Ptolemy, Ferdinand Magellan, named the ocean Pacific because it is calm or tranquil. Tranquil means free from disturbance. The Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometer. It is bounded by, that is Asia and Australia in the west and the North America and South America in the east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. This ocean shape is roughly a triangular with its apex means at the top. In the north, you have a Bering Strait. Strait means a narrow passage of water connecting two seas, Jalasandhi, which connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. Some of the marginal seas of this Pacific Ocean are marginal means the border or edge. Seas are Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea. There are islands that are located in this Pacific Ocean. They are Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand. The deepest point of Mariana Trench means Pallam is about 10,994 meter depth and is located in the Pacific Ocean. An interesting information about this. If the Mount Everest, the highest point, that is 8,848 meter, is put into this Mariana Trench, still there would be 2,146 meters of water left. The depth here denoted as meter m. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean that is called as Pacific Ring of Fire. See the image of this Pacific Ocean. See here, in the west Asia and Australia, in the east North America and South America, in the north Arctic Ocean, in the south Southern Ocean, and see here at the top the Bering Sea, isn't it? Then see here the marginal seas, Sea of Japan, South China Sea, Philippine Sea, Tasman Sea, isn't it? Then see, this is the Mariana Trench. The deepest point is located in this Pacific Ocean. A chain of volcanoes around this Pacific Ocean is called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Now we are going to see the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of Earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of this Atlantic Ocean resembles like letter S. The Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has a depth of about 8,600 meters. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea, and the Mediterranean Sea are the important marginal seas of this Atlantic Ocean. Some of the islands are St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and Falkland. Now see the image of Atlantic Ocean. In the west, North America and South America. In the east, Europe and Africa. In the north, Arctic Ocean, and in the south, Southern Ocean. See the marginal seas, Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, then North Sea, Mediterranean Sea, isn't it? See at the Gulf of Guinea. Now let us see about the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after the country India. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. Some of the islands in the Indian Ocean are the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Lakshadweep Island, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and the Reunion Island. The Malacca Strait, which connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Park Strait, which connects the Bay of Bengal and the Park Bay. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and the Red Sea are some of the marginal seas in the Indian Ocean. The deepest point in the Indian Ocean is the Java Trench. It is 7,725 meter depth. Now see the picture of Indian Ocean. In the north, Asia. In the west, Africa. In the east, Australia. And see the marginal seas, Red Sea, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, isn't it? And see here, the Java Trench is here and the Malacca Strait is here. Now let us see about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and is surrounded by 60 degrees south latitude. What do you mean by latitude? It is an horizontal parallel line that runs east to west along the Earth's surface. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. The Southern Ocean is bounded by southern parts of Pacific, Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. Some of the marginal seas in the Southern Ocean are the Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea, the Davis Sea. And some of the islands, that is Farewell Island, Bowman Island, Erst Island, are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Why? It is located in the South Pole, isn't it? Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench, which has a depth of 7,235 meters. Now see the picture of this Southern Ocean. See? It is bordered by southern parts of the Pacific Ocean, southern parts of the Atlantic Ocean, and southern parts of the Indian Ocean. Some of the marginal seas here, Weddell Sea, Ross Sea, Davis Sea. Now let us see about the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It covers an area of about 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen. Freeze for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea, and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Some of the islands are Greenland, New Siberian Island, and Novaya Zemlya. Islands are located in this Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin, the deepest point is 5,449 meter depth, is in the Arctic Ocean. See the image of the Arctic Ocean. See, the North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean, and see the marginal seas, Siberian Sea, Greenland Sea, Norwegian Sea, Barents Sea. Children, now let us see the map, world physical map in the atlas, page number 81. See here, North Pacific Ocean, South Pacific Ocean. Similarly, North Pacific, South Pacific. North Atlantic Ocean, South Atlantic Ocean. Indian Ocean. Here Arctic Circle and here Southern Ocean. Now come to the Pacific Ocean. See here, Mariana Trench here, Bering Sea. See the marginal seas, Sea of Japan, China Sea, islands, Philippines, some of the islands in the Pacific Ocean. Now come to North Atlantic Ocean. See a Caribbean Sea. The deepest point in this Atlantic Ocean is Milwaukee Deep, that is in Puerto Rico Trench, isn't it here? And see the Strait of Gibraltar, Gulf of Guinea, Sea Newfoundland, St. Helena, Falkland, isn't it? Now come to our Indian Ocean. See, it is the Malacca Strait is here, Java Trench is here, and see the island Lakshadweep, Maldives, Andaman and Nicobar, and see Mauritius, Reunion, isn't it? Now come to the Arctic Circle, see here, Greenland. Here only Eurasian Basin, the deepest point is located. Then come to the Southern Ocean. See the deepest point of Southern Ocean is South Sandwich Trench. See some of the seas, Ross Sea, Weddell Sea and Davis Sea, isn't it?